Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Programming Language Tutorial section. In Programming Language Tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python Tutorials playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I am explaining Python in depth and step by step guys. In the previous videos, we started discussing data types in Python. We understood that Python provides a rich set of data types to store and manage different types of data values. We understood true and false are considered as Boolean type of values. Whole numbers are considered as integer type of values. Numbers with a decimal point are considered as floating point values. 2 plus 3j, the imaginary expressions, are considered as complex type of values. Next, we understood the str indicates the string, that is the textual data. In Python, sequence of characters enclosed in between pair of single quotations or double quotations considered as string. Next, we understood list and tuple. List indicates mutable ordered collection of items, whereas tuple indicates immutable ordered collection of items. List indicates mutable ordered collection of items. Mutable means you can modify the value of a list, right? Here we have replaced the Ram with Raghu. Whereas if you try to replace Ram with Raghu in a tuple, you will get the error because it is immutable. And both are ordered collection of items. That means every item is going to have an index. The first item is going to have index 0, next item is going to have index 1, next item is going to have index 2, and so on. To create list, we take help of pair of square brackets. To create tuple, we take help of pair of rounded brackets. Next, we understood range. It is used to generate sequence of numbers. Range is used to generate sequence of numbers. Next, we understood the set type and frozen set type. Set indicates unordered collection of unique items. Sets cannot have duplicate values. Okay, all the values in a set should be unique. To create set, we take help of pair of flower brackets guys. And frozen set is immutable version of the set. Right? It is an immutable version of the set. So simply in the frozen set function, we put the set, it becomes frozen set, right? In this video, I would like to discuss the next data types, that is dict. Dict means a dictionary guys, dictionary. What is a dictionary? Dictionary indicates collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Dictionary is going to hold key value pairs. Okay, it is a collection of key value, key value, key value. It is a collection of key value pairs where keys should be unique. Okay, keys cannot be duplicate. Let's say I want to keep track of student details. Okay, student details. Every student is going to have a roll number, name, age. So roll number, name, age are keys. And value, here roll number 101 is the value, Manjunath is the value, 30 is the value. Okay, let's create this one. Now what I do, here I have the Python file and here I have the Python shell. Here I say stud underscore details equal to, I use pair of flower brackets, and here I say in single quotations roll number, and then we use colon to assign a value guys. 101 is the value. After writing key value pair, we give comma so that we can write one more key value pair. Here I say in single quotations I say name, then I say colon, again in single quotations I say Manjunath, and then I say here in single quotations age, colon 30. So this is how we write key value pairs. And I can display student details. I say here print and say stud stud underscore details details, stud details. I'm going to copy this. We can also display the type of the stud details variable. I say here print, and inside that I call the type function, and to the type function I'll give the stud details. If I save this and say run module, you see that it has displayed the dictionary, right? Key value pairs, and you can see our variable type is set to dict. Dict means dictionary. Remember, it is a collection of key value pairs where keys should be unique guys. Okay, we'll discuss about each of the data types in detail, in depth in the upcoming videos guys. Here we are just trying to understand how we create variables of different type. Okay, next we have none type. None type indicates absence of a value or a null value. None type indicates absence of a value or a null value. Let's say I create one variable and I don't know what to put inside, so I'll put a none inside it. I'll put none inside it. Okay, then its type is automatically set to none type, guys. Okay, let's see a demo. Here I have a Python file and the Python shell. Here I am creating one variable called as my variable, and inside that I put the value none. Okay, and if I say print, I can display my variable value here, and then I can also display the type of the my variable. So I say here print function, inside that I call the type function, and to the type function I give my variable. I save this and say run module. You can see that it has displayed the value none, that is the value inside my variable, and type of my variable is set to none type, right? That is none type, guys. Next we have bytes array and bytes. Bytes array type and bytes type. Bytes array indicates mutable sequence of bytes. Bytes array indicates mutable. Mutable means modifiable sequence of bytes. It is going to have byte value. Byte means 8 bits. Like for example, if you see, I have a ASCII chart. ASCII stands for American Standards Code for Information Interchange, which is a 7-bit in which we can represent 128 characters. And every character is going to have a unique value. Every character is going to have a unique value. On your keyboard, whatever keys are there, no, they all have a unique value, guys. Like for example, capital A has a 65, associated value 65, B 66, C 67. Now I can create an array. Okay, see here, I come to Python file. Here is a Python shell. Now I delete this. I am creating a variable called as BA, that means byte array. Okay, and then I say byte array. I am calling the byte array function, and here inside brackets I am saying 65, 66, 67. Now this byte array we can display. I say here print and say BA. BA, it displays 65 is replaced with A, 66 is replaced with B, 67 is replaced with C. So A, B, C it displays, guys. We can display the type. I say here print and say type of BA. Display the type of BA also. Okay, I save this. Now I'll open the Python shell, save this and say run module. You see it has displayed byte array and 65 A, 66 B, 67 C. You can see it is displaying the associated characters, right? Associated characters. So that is the byte array, guys. That is the byte array, and it is mutable. Okay, byte array is mutable. That means if I come down here, I say BA of 0 should be 70. BA of 0 should be 70, and I can display the new BA. So what happens? The first element is replaced with 70. So what is 70 in the ASCII chart? If you see, 70 is F, guys. 70 is F. So if you display BA, now what it displays here, it will display F and then B and C. So we'll see here F, B, C displayed. I save this and say run module. You see it has displayed F, B and C. Previously it was A, and A is replaced with F. So byte array is mutable, guys. Okay, one more type we have, that is bytes. Bytes is an immutable sequence of bytes. It is immutable. That means you cannot modify. Okay, so instead of saying byte array, this time we use the function bytes. Okay, here simply I will say bytes. Okay, so if I save this and open the shell and I say run module, you can see that it has displayed ABC, right? It has displayed the A, B, C here, and it also displays the type bytes, right? Type of BA is bytes. But I tried to change the value. Okay, I tried to change the value. It has given an error, right? It has given an error that bytes object. Let me reduce this size and show you. It is telling bytes object does not support item assignment. So you cannot do this. Okay, so that is about the bytes type, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood these types. I suggest you people to try all these things, guys. Try all the data types, execute. Okay, these are the different data types available in Python. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in depth, step by step, guys. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.